Welcome, gamers. Today, we dive into the world of King Legacy to explore the snow fruit. Is it the right choice for your gameplay? Let's find out. Snow fruit is packed with unique abilities like Ice Barrage, which unleashes a dash of icy projectiles. But wait, there's more. Let's go through its skills in detail. How does snow fruit stack up against other fruits in the game? We'll compare its abilities and effectiveness with the likes of fire fruit and light fruit. What are the advantages of snow fruit? Its crowd control abilities and enhanced mobility are just a few of the perks that make it a fun option. But every fruit has its downsides. Let's discuss the limitations of snow fruit, including its cooldown times and skill ceiling. Want to dominate with snow fruit? We'll uncover the best strategies for utilizing its skills effectively and optimizing your combat style. The community has spoken. Let's delve into what players are saying about snow fruit and their experiences with it. Here are some real-world gameplay examples showing how players effectively use snow fruit to their advantage. Watch and learn. So, is snow fruit worth it? After weighing the pros and cons, we provide our final verdict. Spoiler alert, it might just be the fruit for you. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on snow fruit? Share your experiences and critiques in the comments below.